Hold on a second, Toby.
Huh?
Hold on a second.
This is cool. You got to do this.
It's going to take you a while to stir that fucker up anyway.
3 minutes, it says.
Oh, does it?
Yep.
Yeah.
What are you making, a bomb?
I'm making a bomb.
Making a bomb.
Shockwave. Largest exploding target on Earth.
Patent pending.
About to flip a car.
Woody!